Before the wheels ever hit the pavement, there's detailed planning. Engineers use 3D mapping software and satellite data to calculate load weights, bridge clearance, and turning radii. For a 200,000-pound transformer, one miscalculation could shut down a whole highway. That's why heavy equipment logistics is a science and an art. These aren't your average trucks. We're talking about multi-axle modular trailers with hydraulic steering, real-time weight sensors, and self-leveling systems. Some of these trailers stretch over 80 feet long and carry more than 300,000 pounds. Without this kind of specialized transport equipment, modern infrastructure wouldn't be possible. Here's the real deal. Watch as this team moves a 170-foot wind turbine blade through tight corners and narrow bridges. The self-steering axles shift in sync, controlled by onboard computers and remote operators. Every inch of movement is calculated. Every person is locked into their role. This is precision under pressure. Inside the cab, drivers monitor load angles, brake heat, and tire pressure on digital dashboards. Underneath, hydraulic suspension adjusts in real time to balance the load over rough ground. These aren't just trucks, they're smart machines built to solve physics problems on the fly. Wind turbine blades stretching over 180 feet don't bend around corners the trailer does. Self-steering rear axles, guided by remote control, let the crew take impossibly sharp turns. In another scene, a 280,000-pound transformer crosses a busy intersection. Police escorts block traffic while the load glides through with inches to spare. Not everything goes as planned, whether it's tree limbs too low or potholes too deep. The team adapts fast. Mobile lifts, road mats, and pressure gauges come into play. Every obstacle is just another problem to solve together. Teamwork, technology, timing. That's what keeps these monster moves on track. Thanks for watching Forestry Tech. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real-world stories behind the toughest moves on Earth.